Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kissy Missy from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the head. Draw a large curve with the right side being a tiny bit shorter. Then, draw a wavy line at the top that dips down in the center and is slightly lower on the right side. Now close off the gap on the right with 2 bumps like this. And then 3 bumps on the left side. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw a circle inside on the left. And then inside on the left, draw a curve. And now add a V-shaped notch and erase the line in between. Now color this part of the eye in black. Do the same thing on the right. Next, add a curve under each eye towards the outside. Then erase the part of the eye that is under the curve. Next, add 3 curled eyelashes on each eye like this. Now add a long and short line in between the eyes. Let's draw the mouth next. Draw a curve under the eyes. And then curve each side down. And then close it off with a curve across. Then inside, draw a curve across the middle. Let's add a heart now on the left side of the head here. And then erase the headline inside. Lastly, for the head, draw a curved line up at the top. And add 1 more curve at the top. And then 3 lines across the bottom here. Let's draw the body now. Draw a curve down on the left. And then a longer curve down on the right, and curve it back in at the bottom. Let's add the bow now. Draw a sideways oval. And then the 2 sides of the bow overlapping the necklines. Now another triangle shape inside each bow loop. And then add the 2 strings hanging down with curved rectangles. Lastly, for the bow, erase the necklines inside the loops here like this. Next, under the bow, add 2 bumps here. Let's draw the left arm next. Draw a curve up over the left bow loop and then down. Now erase the bow lines inside the arm. Next, add 2 bumps at the end of the arm. and then one more angled line down. Now draw the other side of the arm with a line that dips in slightly at the elbow. Then connect the lines with a zigzag. And lastly, add one curve up on the right side of the arm. Let's add the hand now. Draw a curve at the bottom right for the thumb. Then the shape of the hand curving out to the left. And add 2 lines inside for the fingers. Let's draw the rest of the body now. Draw a bent line down here and then curve it in at the bottom. Then close off the bottom with 3 curves across. Let's draw the other arm now. Draw a bent line down on the right. Then add 2 curves at the bottom. Now an angled line down. And an upside down V shape to close it off. Now add the hand in the same way as the other side. Let's draw the legs next. Draw a long line down from the middle. Then on the left, draw a curved line down and out and add a point at the end. Do the same thing on the right but higher up. Then add another curved point down on both sides. Next, from the center line, draw small lines up on both sides. Then close off each leg with a curved V-shape down. Then add a line inside each at the bottom. Next, in the gap between the legs, draw a small curve. And then color the section above it in black. Lastly, let's draw the feet. Draw a curve down to the left. And a curve over to the middle to close it off. And then add 2 curves inside. Now do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for Kissy Missy. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.